Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of x to the power of 3 is equal to 729. So, to solve this equation, I'm going to first start by taking the power of 3 on both sides. So I get x to the power of x to the power of 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 729 to the power of 3. And now from here, I can rewrite this as x to the power of 3 to the power of x to the power of 3 is equal to 729 to the power of 3. So what I did was I switched the places of 3 and x to the power of 3 because if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of n to the power of m. So now from here, I need to rewrite 729. So 729 this is the same thing as 3 times 243. And 243 is the same thing as 3 times 81. And 81 is the same thing as 3 to the power of 4, or 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So this is equal to 3 to the power of 6, which is also equal to 9 to the power of 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace 9 to the power of 3 with 729, and I'm going to tell you why in a second. So I get x to the power of 3 to the power of x to the power of 3 is equal to 9 to the power of 3 to the power of 3. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So it's going to turn into x to the power of 3 to the power of x to the power of 3 is equal to 9 to the power of 9. And now notice how I have something in the form a number to the power of that same number is equal to another number to the power of that same other number. Meaning, I can cancel these two out, so I get x to the power of 3 equals 9, and x is equal to the cube root of 9.